1st of August 14. This is May Street, Birtley, and on this street is the latest property from Crown to Let. It is number 5 May Street, and Crown to Let is raising £85,000 to purchase the property, which I notice it now says is sold. Number 5 May Street is the latest Crown to Let house for sale, raising £85,000 cover the purchase price. Renovation is necessary and repairs during the period of the purchase. I see it says it is sold. This is the back of 5 May Street, Birtley. It is rather difficult to tell here which one is the reverse of number 5, but it's somewhere there, possibly the one with the satellite dish. Here is another view of the terraced houses along Main Street. I guess they're typical mining properties from years ago. And there is number 5. This is the approach to May Street. You can see it down there. At the moment the property is about 2/3 funded. It's been going about 6 weeks, so it's not rushing off the market, but it'll reach its target fairly soon. 5 May Street, Birtley.